Makiaria gicigo-ini gia Kitale, Atongoria nimoritie thirikari kuyukia ihoya ria kwenda kumagare mutigairi Yvonne na gitio, kuona niarerutiire na njira nene guteithia muingi wa gicigo giki kugerera tabarĩra ya Maiko Wamalwa Foundation.
I want to appeal to the national government that they must stand with this family, and we knew very well because our lady vice president was also part of this government and he was working so closely to all Kenyans and the people of Tranzoia county.
Uria wari meya wa Kitale John Wanyonyi augite ni hari bata wa kuhe mutigairi Yvonne igongona ria kibururi alitajire mwe ya gutia wira uria rutire bururi hamwe na muthuri wake mutigairi Kijana Wamalwa.
Nachukua fursa hii kutuma rambirambi zangu kwa familia ya Wamalwa kwa kumpoteza mama Nambia, na Mungu aiweke roho yake mahali pema peponi.
Mwaria wa family no John Smith ugite ni mabikite merio na thirikari ya kaunti ya Trans Nzoia niguo kuonora mutigairi Yvonne akahurukio. Mutigairi Yvonne Wamalwa hurukire muthenya wa keri kiumia giki icigo-ini kia Nanyuki thutha wa ndwari ya ihinda iraya. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.